The rebuild project for the Hillcrest #1 Shay steam locomotive was started in May 2016. This multi-year project is nearing completion, and so for the 2022 Labor Day weekend, the locomotive was pulled out of the shed for temporary outdoor display for people like me to enjoy and stand around and just admire all the lovely in-progress detail out in the sunshine. This was part of a long weekend set of special events at the BC Forest Discovery Centre on Vancouver Island. As part of the outdoor events, a temporary whistle set was rigged up and was powered by an air compressor. I don't know much about the detail of this or understand much about it, so I will leave that to the viewer to research. I'm just presenting here the lovely sound of the whistle. The whistle saluted the visitor train as the visitor train passed by every half hour. So here are 3 of those passing by events.